Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Sada Shora. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to interact with the Google Cloud Platform. What are the different ways to interact with the GCP? Before going to the video, please subscribe my channel, Sada Learning Hub. Please click on the bell button to get the latest updates. Now, moving to the video. To interact with the Google Cloud Platform, there are the four different ways. The first one is Cloud Platform Console. The second one is Cloud Shell and Cloud SDK. And the third one is Cloud Console mobile app. And the fourth one is REST-based API. These are the four different ways you can use to interact with the GCP. Now, I'm going to discuss about each and every one how to interact with the GCP. Now, the first one is Google Cloud Platform Console. Google Cloud source repositories provided to Git version control to support the collaborative development of any application or service, including these that run on the Google App Engine and Google Compute Engine. Now, if you want to develop any application, definitely you need to use the repositories, right? If you are using the Stackdriver debugger, you can use the cloud source repositories and the related to tools to view debugging information alongside your code during the application runtime. Cloud source repositories also provides a source editor that you can use to browse, view, edit, and commit the changes to the repository files from within the Cloud Platform console. Google Cloud Shell provides you with command line access to you cloud resources directories from your browser. You can easily manage your projects and the resource without having to install the Google Cloud SDK or other tools on your system. With the Cloud Shell, that Cloud SDK, gcloud commands and other utilities, you need to always available, up to date and fully authenticated when you need them. That is about Google Cloud Platform Console. You can use the Google Cloud Platform Console and you can access the repositories. Centralized console for all the project data and development tools like cloud source repositories, cloud shells, and test labs. Access to the product APIs and manage the create the projects. And coming to next one, Google Cloud SDK. The Google Cloud SDK is a set of tools that you can use to manage the resources and applications hosted on the Google Cloud platform. This includes the gcloud tool, which provides and maintains the command line interface for Google Cloud platform products and services, and as well as gutils and bg. All of these tools are located under the bin directory. If you are installing the SDK, Google Cloud SDK, you can interact with the GCP. Now, whatever all these tools, gcloud or gutils or bg, all these tools are available in the bin directory. Cloud Shell provides a temporary compute engine virtual machine instance running in a Debian-based Linux operating systems. Command line access to the instance for a web browser using terminal windows in the Cloud Platform console. 5 GB of persistent disk storage per user mounted as a user home directory in a Cloud Shell session. Access the projects and instances. Google Cloud SDK and other tools pre-installed on the compute engine instance, and language support including the SDK, libraries, runtime environments, and compilers for a Java, Go, Python, Node.js, PHP and Ruby. Web preview functionality, which allows you to preview the web applications running on the Cloud Shell instance through a secured proxy. Built-in authentication for access a project resources. And also you can use the Cloud Shell to create and manage the Google Cloud Compute Engine instances, create and access the Google Cloud SQL databases, manage the Google Cloud storage data, interact with the hosted or remote Git repositories, including the GCP source repositories. And final one is build and deploy the Google App Engine applications. You can also use Cloud Shell to perform the other management tasks related to your projects and resources using either the gcloud command or other available tools. We can use the Google Cloud SDK. We can access the GCP. And next one is RESTful API. The services that make up GCP offers application programming interfaces so that code you can write can control them. These APIs are what's called RESTful. In other words, they follow the representational state transfer paradigm. In a broad sense, that means that your code can use the Google services in much the same way that web browsers talks to the web servers. The API name resources in the GCP with the URLs. Your code can pass the informations to the API using the JSONs, which is very popular way to pass the textual informations over the web. And there are a open system OAuth2 for user login access controls. You can use the trust API. You can interact with the GCP servers. You can interact with the Google Cloud. Use the API and explore to help you write your code. The GCP console includes a tool called the API Explorer that helps you learn about the API's interactively. If you want to interact the GCP cloud by using the REST API, there is a REST API Explorer is there that is going to give you a clear picture about what are all the APIs are there. It lets you see what APIs are available and what versions. These APIs expects the parameters and the documentation on them is built in. You can try the APIs interactively even with the user authentication. Suppose you have explored an API and you are ready to build an application that uses it. Do you have to start the coding from scratch? No. Google provides the client libraries to take a lot of the drudgery out of the task of calling GCP from your code. Use the client libraries to control the GCP resources from within our code. No need to bother about. You can write, you can control the GCP resources from within our code by using the client libraries. There are two kinds of libraries. The cloud client libraries are Google Cloud latest and recommended library for its APIs. They adopt the native style and idioms of the each language. On the other hand, sometimes a Google Cloud client library doesn't support the newest services and features. In that case, you can use the Google API client library for your desired language. These libraries are designed for generally and completeness. There are the two client libraries are there. Cloud client library, Google API client libraries. These two are the open source. We can support these APIs are going to support the various languages. And final one is you can if you want to interact the GCP, you can use mobile apps also. By using the mobile apps, you can interact with the GCP. The mobile apps allows you to start, stop and SSH into the compute engine instances and to see logs from each instance. You can stop and start the Cloud SQL instances. You can also administrator applications deployed on Google App Engine by viewing errors, rolling back deployments and changing the traffic splitting. You can also get up to date billing informations for your projects and get billing alerts for projects that are going over budget. We can set up the customized graphs showing the key metrics such as the CPU usage, network usage, requests as per second, and server errors. The mobile apps also offers the alerts and the incidents managements. Now, this Google Cloud Console mobile app from is available in Google Play Store and it is also available from iOS App Store. We can manage the virtual machines and databases. We can manage the apps in Google App Engine, manage our billings and visualize your project with the customized dashboards. We can use these three types of mediums to interact with the GCP, Cloud Platform Console or Cloud SDK or mobile apps or by using the REST-based APIs. That is about interacting with the Google Cloud Platform. That's about this video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share with others. Thank you for watching.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.